Governu Timor-Leste halo empréstimo Hosi Banco Desenvolvimento Ásia ADB, hamotuk $8 americano milhão atus 5 hitunuru, hahu sitinan rihun rua sanulu resin rua. Assunto ne fossai Hosi diretora ADB Timor-Leste, Estefania Dina ba jornalista Sira, hafoin halau encontro o vice-primeiro-ministro Mariano Assanami Sabino e Palácio Governu Dili, terça-feira lorong walu fulang outubro tinan rihun rua ronulu resin hat. Ni afirma, dadang ne ADB ne portfolio hamutuk milhão atus neng, nebe cobre ba empréstimo, subvenção, no assistência técnica, no total empréstimo nebe Governu Timor-Leste halo, hamutuk $8 americano milhão atus 5 hitunulu. Husi empréstimo desde tinan riun rua sanulu resin ruane, o sambalu taka ona, no empréstimo balumos foi ativo, no atualmente ia hela processo.
At the moment we have an ongoing portfolio of about $600 million as ongoing right now. This covers loans, grants and technical assistance. So this is the total amount. The portion of loans as ongoing is about $574 million out of that total amount that I mentioned. So we started, giving loans to Timor-Leste back in 2012. So some loans were closed, right? The amount that I'm mentioning is the ongoing ones. So most of them were approved. We'll have to check exactly, but it's between 2018 up to basically 2022. And some before that. So we can give you the list of when exactly they were approved, the ongoing ones. But as ADB, we started, lending to Timor-Leste in 2012. That was the first. Publicly disclosed. So if you go on the adb.org and you look at Timor-Leste page, you actually have all the projects that have been approved for Timor-Leste, the ones that have been closed, the ones that are still ongoing. So you can actually see exactly amounts, what they've been covering, what kind of ministry we've been working with, and since when, and which ones are still ongoing, and the ones that have been closed.
Reportagem Fifania de Carvalho, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual dia clio. Kita haluha. Hane yang botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.